Slowly trying to fix this. We ended up pulling a tow truck for it, so. Oh my god. If anything, we'll just take the bar out, Bob. Should be alright.
Right, I think this is just gonna fucking come out, sorry.
Alright, just. That's what we said with the gearbox, and that was like
We are fucking
almost a week
experts now,
later.
bro. So it should just be these two 14mm bolts here holding it on at the bottom here. Still cold. I just been sitting there. It's actually, I thought it was pretty good. Yeah, Nathan, the last bolt. So this one goes passenger side at the bottom. I don't know what the other bolt was that you pulled out. I think wasn't necessary. That's the short one for the body. I'm just gonna loosen up the engine mounts. You ready?
Yeah. Do you rather your bumper or your plate?
Well, smash it in the bumper, then I'll just go carbon fibre. What's that? That I think wasn't necessary. Is that my coffee?
Yeah, that's still there.
Oh fuck. Alright, so basically that's it. The threads on the engine mounts go through the subframe, and then that's it. I took them off. So
we just gotta lift it up pretty evenly.
well, let's just.
That's a bit annoying, but.
Well, let's just put a little bit of pressure upwards on it and see what happens.
Yep.
Yeah. Stop for a sec. I think it's still attached on the gearbox. I need to like lever it off a bit. There's my big pins.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll try and like
Just kind of like
leave it back.
bit later, you had a fucking giant bump on it.
Maybe it's more than 26 kilos, because look.
No, we're still on the gearbox. On this side, my side we are.
I'm going to lower it a little bit.
Yeah, and then
So
we'll,
then you can pull it.
and then pull it, and we'll both pull it that way. If that makes sense. So if we push it that way.
Enough, or it needs to be more?
No, I'm just gonna leave it.
Right, how long was that video for?
I paused mine at 34 minutes.
No worries. Oh, hang on. I didn't take this one, the ECU harness. Alright, fuck. Hang on. We need to take the ECU harness off. That's it. I think that's literally
That's it, because you're clear on this side.
Yeah, no, we're good.
Yeah,
Alright, let's just pause it because I gotta
wiring.
Just pull the wiring loom through, and then after that should be clear.
RX7 stuff. Shit, we're just pros at this. Oh my god.
Like, imagine we have to put the car back on the ground just to take this trim off.
This is what men are made of. Do you want to unlatch it there?
Yeah, no, let's lift this up a bit higher. Dirty fucking 13B, bro.
Bro, you should see your fucking subframe.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we're all clear if I fucking pull it out now, eh?
I didn't even Do you want wood?
Yeah. Just starting that one. Fucking wheel is not turning.
Alright, you got room? Lower it a bit? Just so we don't. Just in case. Yeah, you're good.
These wheels are forced.
It's a pretty dirty 13B.
So is this resting on the jacket? Yeah.
It's fine.
See, this mount here, I think it dropped into that hole, the
Oh,
thread,
okay,
or was
yeah.
getting caught on something there, man. That's so weird.
Still pretty dope. It's a little fucking puddle in there, buddy. Bro.
I don't know if I'm turning the engine the right way or not. Which way's the right way? I think it's this.
Oh, what the fuck, guys? Look at that. Just leave it there, leave it there, leave it there, leave it there. Come and look at this.
Oh, cunt, it's full of rust.
This bitch is steaming up, bro.
Yeah, there's a lot of rust on that. This iron. We might. Not completely hard. A few toes. So you see, you throw that one back in there. This is the side seal. That is a corner seal. Corner seal, yeah. So you get a little bit of